I am barely getting on down here. Good luck up there. I did have fun, don't get me wrong. You can look back on those videos and I was going haywire. But I cannot have any of this end sadly. Well, that's fitting for me. Hi everyone, it's Millie Bobby Brown here, and I'm here with BuzzFeed to answer 30 questions as quickly as I can.
What did you have for breakfast this morning?
A banana.
Who was the last person you FaceTimed?
My mum.
Describe 19 steps in 3 words.
Love, community, loss.
Do you have any weird or fun family traditions that you want to carry on with us?
Open one present, big or small, Christmas Eve.
What's your go-to fragrance?
And my fragrance, Wildly Me.
But what's one thing you want to do for your 21st birthday?
Sit at home and make a chicken pot pie.
That always puts you in a good mood.
Boogie Wonderland.
What's your go-to snack at craft services?
Nacho cheese Doritos, which I just had.
What is your biggest ick?
Men holding umbrellas.
Do you believe in aliens?
I am barely getting on down here. Good luck up there.
What's another job that you think you'd be good at?
Caring for the elderly.
What's the best thing that your mom or dad cooks for you?
Absolutely nothing. My mum does not cook, and my dad makes me beans on toast, like the most minimal, simple thing, but it actually hits every time.
What's the last text you sent to Noah Chef?
Are you actually coming to see me?
What's a Florence by Mills product you can't live without?
The Dreamy Dew Moisturizer.
Which fellow celebrity were you surprised to hear is a fan of yours?
Megan the Stallion. Confused. Unleashed.
And describe your current self in 1 word.
Leashed.
Who's the last person you sent a meme or a TikTok to?
I don't have either of those things, so I receive many from my mum. I have been contemplating blocking her. She sends me sad TikToks of dogs being rehabilitated, but I've now had to come, forward and tell her I cannot have any of this end sadly. Because I walk right onto stage for something really important, and I just watched, a cat be hit by a car, so I'm like, this is not something that I want to ever be sent to me ever again. She's like, but it does happen. I'm like, let's not make this normal. This isn't normal. So we've made an agreement now that only happy videos thus far.
What is the last thing you Googled?
Mini golden doodle puppies for sale. That's fitting for me.
What's a book you wish you could read for the first time again?
19 steps.
You could lose your celebrity status for 24 hours. What's the first thing you do?
Go to a concert. Taylor Swift. The last time I went, it was amazing, but every song I sung, and I really put my whole into, I was like, oh, there's thousands of phones pointing at me, and I really just wanted to have fun, and I did have fun, don't get me wrong. You can look back on those videos, and I was going haywire. But, I think I would enjoy just being able to like blend in and have a bit more fun.
What's your favorite Taylor Swift song?
Last Great American Dynasty.
What is your most useless talent?
Ooh. Most of my talents are useful. Barking? That's true. Yes, I'm a very good barker. No!
Pick a color that exemplifies your aura.
Lilac.
What is your most used emoji?
The dog emoji.
What's your dream vacation spot?
New Zealand?
What's the most used app on your phone?
Settings. I'm always changing my time.
What's your current phone wallpaper?
Me and my fiance.
Your go-to ice cream flavor?
Ooh, chocolate chip. Chocolate chip, definitely, or vanilla.
Can you tell us about your new fan?
His name is Coco. He's brown. I got him a day before I left, so when I get back, he's gonna be a bit bigger, but I can't wait to see him. Meow.
What's your most Pisces personality trait?
I like to be in control of just my whole life and every decision ever, which is good and bad. But it's just like, okay, like, I like to make the schedule and the itinerary for the week, and everybody must be punctual.
Have you ever rewatched your old Instagram lives?
No, no. I pretend they don't exist.
What's the best piece of advice your nanny Ruth has ever given you?
Don't let anyone dull my sparkle.
Who's the first person you tell when you have good news?
My fiance, and then my mum. Usually on a group call.
Bluey or Bingo?
Bluey! So good!
What is the best restaurant in London?
Ooh, sheesh. Very good. Very good. It's like a feast when you're there, and it's all my favourite foods. So, there you go. Or just go to a pub and have a good roast dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you learned more about me. Be sure to read my new novel 19 Steps and to smell my new fragrance, Wildly Me. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you soon.